Hello, my name is Kevin Wolf. I'm the founder and CEO of Software Logistics. Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to get started with our tutorials. To start with, I'm going to enter our web address, https://www.nuviot.com. I'm going to enter my email address of kevinw@slsys.net, then my password, and I'll press login. If you don't have an account already, just go ahead and press register and you'll be able to get started from there. At this point, I'm going to click in Start Here, and then Tutorials. We can see all the different tutorials that we have available to learn how to build your application. The first thing that we're going to do is create our sample application. We need to do that because that's the application that's actually used as you go through the tutorials. This takes a minute or two, so just be patient. It'll let you know when it's done. Okay, there we go. Our application is created. I'm going to press OK. At this point, we have everything we need to do to be able to go through our tutorials. Since this is a quick start guide, I'm going to come back to Home. I'm going to go to Studio, and what we'll do is we'll go ahead and start our application. I'm going to come under here in Deployments. I'm going to come over to Instances, and here we can see we have Example Motion. In our Example Motion instance, we can click on that. We'll click on Manage, and at this point, I'm going to press Deploy. This is going to go through the process of allocating a Docker instance at a data center up in New York, installing the application on it, and get it ready to run. I'm going to pause this now and we'll come back as soon as it's all ready to go. All right, our application is just finishing up here. And as you can see, our little status messages are showing the messages as we go through. We'll close this out. And now we can open it back up again. We can see that the host status is running and the instance status is running. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and load up our simulator. We can use our simulator to be able to send messages to our new instance. We'll go ahead and start our application store. Our simulator is available in either the Microsoft Windows Store or on the Android Store. By the time you're viewing this video, it also might be on iOS as well. I'm going to click on Search. I'm going to click on IoT Simulator. At this point, we can see the IoT Simulator app on here. We can click on that, and if you haven't installed it, you can install it. In this case, we've already installed it, so I'm going to press Launch. I'm going to log in with my user ID and password, the same one that I used to be able to log into the website. And as part of creating our example application, we've created an example motion simulator that you should be able to use to be able to send messages to your application. Let's just kind of rearrange our screen a little bit here so we can get a better view of what's going on. I'm going to make our simulator a little bit smaller, and we're going to close our store. At this point, you should be able to open up the simulator, and at this, we have two messages we can send. We can send a message that motion was detected or motion was cleared. We're going to say that motion detected is first. Click on that. We'll press this little button here, and then we should see a message over here stating that the message was received. We'll go ahead and click on motion cleared, and we can click on motion cleared, and we'll be able to see the message was also received. If you entered your phone number as part of the authentication process, you should be receiving a text message that the same information that was sent to the console here. Thank you for watching this quick little video, and please watch more of our tutorials to be able to understand how this application was built.